Your MG Hector will run as smoothly as possible at all times. But it is extremely necessary to get it regularly serviced. Don't ignore the timely services of your car as they are very important. Regular maintenance will help you get your car thoroughly checked and let the chances of having a worn-out part go unnoticed be bare minimum. This will help save a lot of time and unforeseen failure as it will be caught in time during the regular car checkup. One can save a lot of money by getting a timely service done. Just in case a part fails, one can get it serviced in time instead of getting it replaced entirely, which is very heavy on the pocket. Timely service will ensure that your car ownership is cost-effective. As you get your car serviced in time, the car keeps running smoothly. Your safety is our concern always. If your car is regularly taken care of, you stay safe all the time. So, get your MG Hector to us whenever your service is due. We would love to see you.